Hello, today we're going to be reviewing how to edit the banners, in other words, these rotating images, as found in your interior pages, like we have this on the home page. A rotating banner, the user can come in, use the arrows to select between the different images, of course, and scroll through them. This is a nice way for a firm to display their high quality photos if you have them. You can also do it on the services page, for example. You notice we have a banner area here. And on these interior pages, there's another banner area per page. So what's nice about this is the user can actually come in and specify which images he or she wants on these different interior pages. So notice how in the newsroom we have another rotating banner here. So for example, as a user, we'll show you how this works. Come into the control panel, type in our web domain / content manager. We'll go ahead and get logged in. And now we can set up the banners on the pages to be rotating or non-rotating on any of your pages. So for example, right here we click on Manage Banners, and you see how we have all these different pages with the actual image listed. So for example, we have our firm page, and you can hover on the image to make sure that you're actually looking at that particular page. So I'll come back to the front end here, click on our firm, and what I always recommend to do is actually download and have a saved copy of that most recent image. Okay, so for example, I'll just come over here, click on Firm Profile, and we'll go ahead and load up this particular page. So we have our Firm Profile page loaded. Here's our image as we see. Come over to the control panel. Notice we have our firm image. Let's check. Absolutely same thing. So I'll come over here. I'm just going to save the image quickly to make sure we have a backup here. And we'll call this backup image. Today's date. Alright, put it right on the desktop. Now, let's go ahead and change this image out. We'll click on Edit. Now we can pick any picture we want and place it in that area. So notice right here, you can select rotating or non-rotating. We have our set to non-rotating. You can remove this image, and we'll just go ahead and browse and upload another image. So I'll click on Browse. Go ahead and click on Next. Click on Browse again, and I'll come over here to my Pictures, and I'll grab one of these sample pictures like this desert landscape. Hit Open, Next. Now, this is a large image, so what you'll notice is the tool automatically recommends a proportion. Now you can come in here and crop this image if you wish. For example, we can take this top left section and go ahead and click Next. Now what you'll notice is the image has been optimized for the web. Originally it was 0.21 megabytes. Now it's 0.10 megabytes. So it's about half the size. So from an optimization perspective, you're good to go. Now we have alt tag. Here you put in the image description. This would be desert landscape. And then if you want to add a link to this image, you can absolutely go ahead and do so. We'll click Update. Now we'll come back to the website here, reload our firm profile page, and you see that new image. Now for rotating images, for example, as found on the home page, okay, where we have it rotating through these images, you can actually manage which images it's rotating through. For example, you come into your control panel. We'll go on to the second page here of our banner management, where we have our main page listed. Click on Edit, and now you'll notice that it's set to rotating, and if we click on Manage Pictures, we'll see a list of the different pictures that this is rotating through. Here's all our different pictures. So let's say we want to add a picture. And we'll click on Add Images right here, and I'm going to load up that same desert landscape photo in this view. So we'll click on Desert Landscape, click on Open, and then click on Upload Files, and it'll load that file straight into the system. So the file's uploaded. Now we can preview the file, make any changes, add a title description if we wish, and click on Save. So now this file is part of this series. Now you can reorder this series. So for example, I'll come down to the bottom, I'll grab our desert landscape, okay, and you'll notice our desert landscape is right here, okay, as one of the first images being displayed. So you can change the order, you can just drag and drop it, move the order around, or you can simply leave it where it was and have it be one of the first images that displays. So I'll just go ahead and click on Save, update our image series here, close this window out, and we'll reload our home page, and now you'll see how our first image is absolutely that desert landscape image as we selected. And then you can either have it go automatically through your other images as it's doing now, or the user can click on these arrows and actually make the images go more quickly. So a lot of functionality, very simple to use, and again, that's what we're looking to showcase. Thank you.